Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're about to capture a perfect moment, but the shaky footage ruins it all? But don't worry, because we're about to delve into the game-changing realm of gimbals. First up, we have the DJI OSMO Mobile 6. It's all about staying on point with ActiveTrack 6. Zero. This upgraded tracking technology keeps up with your energetic kids, playful pets, or even yourself. Say goodbye to shaky footage with its 3-axis stabilization, ensuring your videos are as smooth as butter no matter where you are. And the best part, it's quick and easy to use. The Osmo Mobile 6 powers on as soon as you unfold it. Attach your phone, and you're ready to capture breathtaking moments. Plus, with its lightweight and compact design, you can take it anywhere. The built-in extension rod allows for creative angles and perfect selfies, checking the battery level, switching between gimbal modes, and even using shot guides for scene suggestions. It's all conveniently accessible with the new built-in status panel. But that's not all of it. The side wheel gives you control over focus and zoom, allowing you to add cinematic flair to your videos. Switching between landscape and portrait mode is a breeze, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. With stain-resistant and non-slip features, Osmo Mobile 6 is compatible with most iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei series. Don't worry about bad lighting or distracting noise. Pair it with the DJI Fill-Light phone clamp and DJI mic for a complete solution. And for all the new parents out there, the new parents kids mode autonomously captures heartwarming moments. Jump from the DJI Mimo app to the Lightcut app for AI-powered one-tap editing and exclusive video templates. It's a one-stop solution for new creators. Now let's talk about the DJI OM Force. This gimbal stabilizer is all about feeling the pull of instant attachment. The magnetic design allows for fast and easy phone attachments, ensuring you never miss a creative moment on the go. It's designed to carry with a foldable and lightweight structure that's perfect for any adventure. The magnetic phone clamp and ring holder make it effortless to capture moments spontaneously. The improved tracking mode, ActiveTrack 3, Zero recognizes adult children and Pete's automatically following them. No more shaky videos, thanks to the powerful 3-axis stabilization, even with external lenses added. And with simple gestures, you have total control over recording. Editing is a breeze with the DJI Mimo app featuring a video editor and built-in tutorials to guide you through the creative process. It's a streamlined shooting experience, making videography accessible to everyone. Next on our list is the Insta360 Flow. Get ready for next-gen AI-powered tracking with DeepTrack 3. Zero. It keeps subjects in frame and in focus with unmatched accuracy and flexibility. With Insta360 Flow, you can unfold it once and go. No need to untwist or press the power button. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization cancels out shakes, providing smooth footage from dawn to dusk. Plus, with a 2900 mAh battery, you get an impressive 12 hours of performance. Capture life's best moments on the fly with AI-powered Shot Genie, which offers scenario-specific filming tips. Insta360 Flow is the only smartphone gimbal that can shoot 360 photos. Set it up on the tripod for immersive panoramas in various formats. It's foldable, portable, and compatible with both Android and iOS phones. The Insta360 Flow is your all-in-one solution for on-the-go content creation. Now, let's talk about the Zhiyun Smooth 5s. It stands out with its professional structure of 3 orthogonal pivot axes, bringing you more possibilities for cinematic shots. The magnetic steel motors and fill lights ensure your story is well lit and captivating. The versatile control panel allows for smooth parameter adjustments at your fingertips. Switch between zoom and focus with ease, and explore multiple shooting modes like PF, L, F, POV, and V. Add a touch of creativity with the Vortex mode for dazzling 306D spinning footage. Get ready for incredible anti-shake footage while preserving the original definition quality. The 24-hour battery life ensures non-stop, fluent creation. And from the gimbal to accessories, the Zhiyun Smooth 5s comes with a brand new protective bag for all your shooting needs. Last but not least, let's talk about the AOCHUAN Smart X Pro. This palm-sized foldable gimbal goes beyond the ordinary with its OLED display, showing gimbal modes and battery indicators. It's more powerful than any other smartphone gimbal. Shine your beauty with the integrated LED fill light, providing soft lighting up to 6,000 lux. The focus switch and zoom slide empower you to shoot Hitchcock-style films without complicated filmmaking skills. Adjust focus speed synchronously for a smooth, professional look. Master Smart 4.0, AI gesture control, face tracking, and various shooting modes in the AOCHUAN app. The Smart 7.0 anti-shake stabilization ensures smooth and steady videos in any scenario. Plus, it's compact and foldable, making it the perfect companion for your creative journey. In the box, you get everything you need. AOCHUAN Smart X Pro Gimbal, tripod, USB-C charging cable, and user manual. The AOCHUAN app comes with friendly customer support and a hassle-free return and replacement policy. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible smartphone gimbals that cater to different needs and styles. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, or just love capturing moments, these gimbals are sure to elevate your videography game. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and creative tips. Until next time, happy shooting.